Have you ever stared at a chart full of candles and felt completely lost? I've been there. Back when I first started trading, those red and green bars looked like random noise. But over time, I discovered that every candle tells a story. It's like watching a battle between buyers and sellers unfold in real time. And once you learn to read those stories, trading becomes a whole different game. So today, I want to show you the candlestick patterns every trader must know. These are not just shapes on a chart. They're signals of shifts in power, little clues that can change the way you trade forever. And as I explain them, I want you to do something for me. Pause the video when I describe each one and see if you can spot it on your own charts. Drop a comment when you do, it'll help the learning stick. Let's start with the hammer. Picture this. Price has been falling, sellers are celebrating, and then suddenly, boom! A candle forms that dips lower but gets pushed back up, closing near the top. That's the hammer, a sign that buyers are fighting back. Quick question for you. Have you ever traded a hammer before? Comment yes if you have, or no if this is your first time hearing about it. Now flip that upside down. The shooting star. Price races higher, buyers feel unstoppable, and then sellers step in and smash it back down. That candle closes weak, leaving a long wick at the top. That's the market's way of saying, the party might be over. Next time you see one at resistance, take a screenshot and share it. I'd love to see how many of you catch it live. Then we have engulfing candles. Think of them as one team completely wiping out the other's victory. A bullish engulfing candle at support is buyers saying, our turn now. A bearish engulfing at resistance is sellers shouting the same. If you've ever spotted one of these patterns right before a big move, let me know in the comments. It's one of the most powerful setups I use. And then there's the morning star. Imagine a dark night of selling pressure, then a small indecision candle, like the market pausing, and finally a big bullish candle breaking through. That's the sun rising after the storm. On the flip side, the evening star warns of fading rallies. Quick challenge for you. Open any chart after this video and try to spot either a morning star or evening star. Comment which one you find. But here's the golden rule: context matters. A hammer floating in the middle of nowhere? Worthless. A hammer bouncing right off a strong support level? That's gold. Same with engulfing and star patterns. They work best when you combine them with support, resistance, or trend direction. The truth is, once you learn these patterns, charts stop looking random. You'll see stories, buyers versus sellers, momentum shifts, power struggles. And when you tie that story into a solid trading plan, like waiting for confirmation, protecting your stop, and aiming for at least 2:1 reward to risk, that's when candlestick patterns stop being theory and start becoming profits. So here's your action step. Go back to your favorite chart and look for hammers, shooting stars, engulfing candles, and star patterns. Share in the comments which one you spot first. And if you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe, because in the next one, I'll take the engulfing candle and show you live examples of how I trade it step by step. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.